Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, I've got the Polo here behind me. I finally managed to get it up and running. Well, sort of up and running. I'm pretty sure you guys would have seen that video. If not, I'll go and link it up in this corner, then you guys can go and check it out. Before we get started with today's video, I quickly want to ask you guys, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, or share them on Facebook with your friends or whatever. It really helps the channel to grow a lot. I think it's way more than you guys ever realize it does. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be working on the Tiguan again. You guys saw that I got a new radio. This is the old one that's not working. This is the old one that came out of the car. So I still got the old RCD510 if any of you need it. Hit me up on Instagram. I'll drop my username down here. You can send me a DM. It is available. So if anyone wants it, give me a shout. I ended up getting the software update for the RNS. As you can see, it's got the new logo now. The Bluetooth is working the way it should now. All the functions is working. I ended up losing the maps, but thanks to VW Forum, I actually got the maps free from someone. It's not the latest ones, but it's, I think, about 2013. So as you can see, the Bluetooth is working, whereas before it wasn't, since it's an older radio. I think it's a 2009 radio, or it came out of a 2009 model car. So the Bluetooth didn't work as well, but with the software update now everything is working. Like I said, I also got the map sorted. So there's the navigation. Not too phased about my address since I run a business from here as well. So the navigation is on there, and then we also got it coded to have the navigation up on the screen. So if I put in an address there, it does show up on the screen where you need to turn and all that, so that's kind of cool. But today, the actual plan for today would be to install the reverse cam. I've got a DIY link that I'm gonna follow, but we're gonna plug it in, splice 2 wires at the back of the radio, and then I'm gonna run the wiring all the way through the car up here into the boot. I don't think I showed you guys the camera actually, and then it's gonna sit here on the handle. The handle will actually shorten, and then the camera will be there, so it will be an OEM look. You won't be able to see it since the handle is down here. But let me quickly show you guys. So this is actually what the new handle will look like. As I said, you won't be able to notice anything. This is an OEM camera. There's all the wiring for it. As far as I know, this remote wire is connected onto the reverse light. This is at the back, and then this is the plug that goes into the radio. This is just a positive and a ground wire that I need to splice behind the radio. So other than that, I believe it should be kind of easy. I'm not too sure. Let's get started and see how far I come today. I'm actually going to start off by installing the handle in the boot. I'm going to remove all these covers, and then after that I'll start from the radio and run the wiring through the car all the way back. As you guys can see, I got the new handle installed. I just want to confirm that it's working. Both lights are working exactly like it should. The handle's working exactly like it should. I'm happy with that. I'm going to start running the wire from the front now. I'll be doing it on the driver's side, especially since the passenger side has got the latch for the bonnet here. So I don't want to fiddle with that, so I'm going to start by taking these panels off, and then I'll just leave enough wire to tuck it from here to the radio. As it stands at the moment, I've got everything tied up in the boot. As you can see, the wiring looks great. The remote wire, the yellow one, which is going to the reverse light, I've used this white wire. I just kinda ran it through for now. So I'm actually going to go down here now, and then there's a plug in there. Let me quickly see if I can show you guys. So there's a plug down there. All these tubes is just for the air. Below it there is a plug that gives power to the reverse light. So I'm quickly going to use a multimeter and test which is power for the reverse light, and then I can hook that up, and then once that's done I can actually come back to the front. As you can see, the wire is sitting there. I can take it up the dash by the radio and then connect it up there, and hopefully everything works. I got the plug up here. Oh, by the way, don't mind the finger, guys. This is the DIY life. Anyways, so I got the plug up here for the reverse cam, and then I spliced into the OEM wiring for the radio, the OEM wiring, positive and ground to get power. I'm not sure why, but I spliced the wiring. So now I'm going to put it all back together, and then hopefully I got the correct remote wire at the back for the reverse light. So I'm gonna put all of this back together, and then I'll switch the car on, and I'll take you guys with me as I switch it on for the first time to see if it works or if I need to change the wiring at the back. I can't believe it's actually working. I am so happy with this. The missions that I've been through to get this working. At first I bought a radio that's not working. I got scammed, I lost all my money. I got the opportunity to buy my old radio back from the guy who bought it from me, and then I eventually found this at a steal. I had some issues with the software update where I lost my maps. I finally got the maps for free, another steal, and then right now I've got the camera hooked up and working. I am so excited, guys. I don't think my face is expressing this well enough. I'm super stoked. I'm so happy. Got my RNS510. Bluetooth is doing exactly what it should. We've got maps with navigation. This is so freaking sick. It's currently Monday morning. I took a break from filming last night. I was busy assembling the car and it got really dark, so getting all these clips to line up wasn't really ideal in the dark, so I kind of just left it. I got this panel assembled. I need to do that one, and then do the boot, and then obviously do all of these as well inside the car are going there. This one here by the safety belts needs to be assembled, and then the front as well, although the radio is back in and this is all tightened up. So I'm just going to go through everything now, reassemble the car, and then obviously, as you guys know, no video comes without any bad luck. My battery went flat because of all the lights that were on last night while I was working, or yesterday. So the roof light and all that inside the car was on. I never thought about switching it off, and then every time I switch the ignition on, the compressors at the back comes on without me actually starting the car, so the battery went flat. I had a charge overnight. I believe it would be good this morning, but we'll see. I'm gonna assemble the car now, and then I'll catch up with you guys once that's done. Finally Finally got the car back together. I had some issues with the air where the tank was leaking overnight. Seems like I finally got that sorted as well. Next up, I need to clear the airbag light from when I took the airbag plug off. So I'm going to hop onto VCDS now and clear that. And then another thing, when I put the car in reverse, it wouldn't go into the camera by itself, so I need to press it to go into the camera. So I'm going to see if I can code that out as well, so that the camera pops up by itself when I put the car in reverse. After about an hour searching the web, I finally found the settings that I needed to make it work. So currently looks like this. When I select reverse, it shows up the camera as well as the PDC on the side. You can close the PDC if needed, but I actually like that. So it's fully functional and everything is working. I am extremely happy to have this radio eventually working. I've been waiting so long for this. I think it was ever since I bagged the car, which was back in September, October last year, maybe even August, and that's when I bought the reverse camera, and I've been struggling with it ever since. It just goes to show, if you search long and far enough, you will eventually find what you are looking for. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Peace out and reflect your passion.